Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow feet with accessories. Let's start drawing. Let's start drawing a foot with 5 toes and beautiful nails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's draw a simple nail polish. I start with the container with a heart on it. Now I draw the brush too. Excellent! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I use this light cream marker for the skin. Now let's color the nails with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, dark blue. For the nail polish, I will use the colors of the rainbow again. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia, brown. Brilliant! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.